Hey girl, hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is sponsored by LuvMe Hair, a company that we love over here on my side of YouTube. They have been sponsoring videos for a very long time and their hair quality has always been amazing. I love this wig. It is a T-part wig with a curved part and a little bit of closure lace at the edge. It does have your adjustable straps, your combs at the sides, your comb in the back, and your elastic band. I took my hair out. I had just 2 large braids in, and I just braided it into 4 smaller braids than the 2 large ones that I had already. Now, of course, you could braid your hair down, you know, better than this. I just did some struggle braids, y'all. I just had to get through it. This wig I will leave linked in the description box down below. This wig is affordable. It comes pre-plucked and it comes pre-bleached and it's ready to go straight out the box. You do not have to manipulate this wig in the single slightest, which I love because at this present moment, I'm all about easier, faster, simplifying my life and making my hair look good without too much work. So pop this baby on. Of course, it's gonna look a little crazy right out the pack, but you can doctor it up a little bit. I decided to leave my edges out, just a little single tiny small bit of edges. So I wanted to color the lace so that the lace would not show. And so I just used a black eyeshadow to just color it into my hair color. Then I pulled a little bit of my edges out. I'm talking about the smallest amount of edges, and blended that into the hair, combed out the hair, added a little bit of water and the slightest bit of Nairobi foam, and this hair was ready to go. So I used a medium tooth comb to go ahead and pluck this hair out, pluck out all the curls and see what the haircut was giving. So the haircut was okay, but I definitely wanted to customize it a little bit and make it a little rounder because I thought the edges were a little bit too much of that like triangle shape, and I wanted it to be more of that heart shape. I think my hair fits my face frame better if it's more of a heart shape as opposed to that like stark triangle. So I just added a couple of layers all throughout the hair. I did speed up this clip. I did not cut my hair this fast. Take your time when you're cutting your hair because you can't put it back. So just cut a little bit at a time slowly, so you don't ruin your wig. But I would definitely suggest fluffing the wig, finger combing the wig, and just giving it some good shape so that it fits and frames your face. So once the cut was complete, I went ahead and threw some makeup on. Very simple, light makeup look. I haven't been wearing a whole lot of makeup as of late. Like I said, I did add a little bit of water and a little bit of Nairobi. It dried quickly and set the curls really cute. I love this wig. I highly recommend it because it's so easy to work with. It doesn't take a whole lot of manipulation to just make it look good. So definitely check the description box down below for a link to this hair. Thank you, LuvMe Hair, for sponsoring the video. Make sure you share the video and like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.